If they succeed, the 25-metre mirror should look about 10 times as bright as the moon. The idea is that eventually a string of such mirrors could light up the Siberian winter.
Though the Russian Mir space station won't last much longer, it was due for one final space spectacular. It should have deployed an aluminium mirror some 80 feet across. The aim, to light up certain cities on Earth by reflecting the sun.
This project is quite an exciting event because for the first time in the history, people may create a real artificial light. So we would use directly sunlight to illuminate some selected part of the planet, particularly where it is dark for many months.
6 years ago, in a similar experiment, a smaller mirror was unfurled from the nose of a Progress supply vehicle. It shone like the moon and sent a weak shaft of light sweeping across the face of the Earth. In today's experiment, the light should shine on individual cities for minutes at a time. First, cities in Russia and the Ukraine, then it should light up an area between Liège in Belgium and Frankfurt. By midnight, it will be Canada's turn to experience the new light from space, when the mirror should illuminate Winnipeg, Quebec, and finally Calgary. But today, astronomers were angry about the long-term aim of the research, putting up bigger mirrors to lighten the night sky.
If you destroy or make a contribution to the destruction of being able to observe into space, you probably deprive yourself of scientific information, esoteric though it may seem to most people, but which may have a crucial bearing on us on this planet.
Other scientists say lighting up the darkness for days on end could affect animals.
We're just looking at a huge transformation in the ecosystems that have been honed over millions of years, and organisms have developed their seasonal cycles over millions of years, and we would see this being disrupted, and I suppose chaos could actually ensue.
So far, though, today's experiment hasn't gone well. The mirror has got stuck. Unless they can free it, tonight at least, there'll be no artificial moon. James Wilkinson, BBC News.
Back on Earth, it's been a tough week for the football.